Cyber instrumentation symbols, P&ID, types of P&IDs, PFD, process flow diagram, MFD, metallurgical flow diagram, P&ID, piping and instrument diagram. P&ID legend, UFD, utility flow diagram, AFD, auxiliary flow diagram. P&ID definition. P&ID is a detailed graphical representation of a process, the hardware and software necessary to design, construct and operate the facility. Process industry practices, PIP, P&ID requirements, process flow diagram, project statement, process data sheet, PFD, temperature and pressure diagram. A P&ID is the language of symbols, a schematic of process, displays relative orientation / configuration / function, a communication tool, and a graphical table of contents. A P&ID is not a piping isometric equipment fabrication, scale drawing, or control logic diagram. P&ID contains detailed information, process and utility streams, all process equipment, complete instrumentation, analog and digital control, P&ID legend, symbols and tagging information, instrument signal types, relay functions, logic symbols, valve body and actuator, abbreviations, symbols, miscellaneous symbols and information, P&ID legend, instrument symbols, design basis, ISA S5. One instrumentation symbols and identification defines instrument symbols, tagging conventions, and loop identification. Provides examples. ISA S5, 3 DCS symbols, client requirements, instrument symbols design basis. The Instrumentation Systems and Automation Society, ISA, is one of the leading process control trade and standards organizations. The ISA has developed a set of symbols for use in engineering drawings and designs of control loops, ISA S5. One instrumentation symbol specification. Balloons. The balloon or bubble symbol represents an instrumentation and control device. The size is 5/16 or 10 mm in diameter. General guideline: the text inside must be readable. According to ISA, local instruments are commonly in the vicinity of a primary element or a final control element. Local panel instruments are commonly in the vicinity of plant subsystems subareas. Panel-mounted instruments are accessible for an operator's normal use. Balloons. In a P&ID, a circle represents individual measurement instruments. Single horizontal line indicates that the instrument or function is located in a primary location. Double horizontal line indicates that the function is in an auxiliary location. Absence of the line indicates that the function is field-mounted. Dotted line indicates that the function or instrument is inaccessible. A square with a circle inside represents instruments that both display measurement readings and perform some control function. A hexagon represents computer functions, such as those carried out by a controller.